I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your AirPods. First, make sure your AirPods are charged and securely placed within their charging case. Next, unlock your Apple device, like an iPhone or iPad, and go to its home screen. Then, simply open the lid of your AirPods charging case, keeping the AirPods inside. This action initiates the pairing process, making them discoverable to your device. It's a quick and easy first step to getting your audio ready. Once the lid is open, a connection card should automatically appear on your Apple device's screen. This card will display an image of your AirPods and a connect button. Simply tap this connect button to begin the pairing process. If prompted, follow any additional on-screen instructions, such as setting up Hey Siri or personalizing features. This seamless, one-tap method makes connecting your AirPods incredibly straightforward and user-friendly, usually taking just a few seconds. To connect your AirPods to a non-Apple device or manually, first place both AirPods back into their charging case and open the lid. Locate the small setup button on the back of the case. Press and hold this button for about 5 seconds until the status light on the case begins to flash white. This indicates your AirPods are in pairing mode. Then, go to your device's Bluetooth settings, find your AirPods in the list, and select them to connect. Your AirPods are designed to automatically reconnect to the last paired Apple device when you open the case. If they don't, ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your device. For troubleshooting, if you experience persistent connection issues, you can reset your AirPods. Place them in the case, open the lid, and press and hold the setup button on the back for about 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber, then white. This clears previous pairings, allowing a fresh connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.